Hello, welcome to Talk with Sean. I'm your host, Sean. So, today we're going to be talking about how the four spheres interact. There are four spheres: the geosphere, the biosphere, the atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. Let's get this started. So, let's get started by talking about the biosphere. The biosphere, it contains all of Earth's living organisms. This means plants, insects, microbes, diseases, bacteria, technically anything that is considered a living thing, including humans. Alright, let's move on. Now we're on the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere includes all of Earth's water. This means water in all of its forms: liquid, air vapor, and solid form. This also means salt and fresh water. That is the hydrosphere. Now we are on the geosphere. The geosphere is made up of all of Earth's materials and mass. This means the Earth's surface, and if we didn't have it, well, we would just be a floating piece of garbage. So yeah. It also includes Earth's innards, like the crust, outer core, mantle, inner core. And yeah, that is the geosphere. Now, last but not least, the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains all of Earth's gases and air. So, without it, yeah, we would be dead. And also, the atmosphere also protects us from harmful UV rays and radiation from the sun. Alright, now we're on how all of these spheres interact with each other. But first, commercial break. Commercial break! This commercial break is sponsored by the four spheres. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Seriously. Okay, we're back. Okay, hey, welcome back. Okay, so, alright, let's get started. So, how the four spheres interact with each other is this. Can we switch frames? So this is how they all interact with each other. The cow is drinking water from the lake, and the fish is eating smaller fish from the lake as well. And they're also all breathing air, and without that air, we wouldn't really have anything. And they're also interacting with the geosphere, which gives them land to be on, and without that land, they would be floating. But that would be pretty cool. Not to us though. We wouldn't think that'd be cool if we were the ones floating. So yeah. And then there's a tree that's sucking up water from the ground. And they're all are also breathing air, and they need that air to survive. The air is from the atmosphere. The atmosphere is also protecting all of these animals and things from the harmful UV rays and radiation that comes from the sun. And without that atmosphere, there would be no air and no protection whatsoever. We'd be dead. No explanation there. We'd be dead. So yeah. And all of these animals also need the water. And so that's pretty much it for that. So that's how all of these animals how all of these spheres interact with each other. Goodbye! Thank you for that. picture, Sean. That was odd, your presentation. Okay, so yeah. So that's it for today's episode of Talk with Sean. I'll see you guys next project. All right. Goodbye. How do you start a party in space? You plan it.